What's up, guys? It's Friday afternoon. We're gonna do a 2-box break. We're gonna do one of Timeless Treasures and one for Portrait Edition football. So we're gonna go with the Portrait Edition first. Do two separate videos. Let's see what we get. This is 2010 Portrait Edition. Let's see if we can pull a Tebow. It's definitely the guy I want. Base, Jacoby Ford. This one was a loser. We'll call the ones without without a head a loser. Second pack. It's face to face, guys. Second one, just base. First autograph, Juice Williams, 10 out of 145. It's a pretty decent autograph. Juice Williams is the quarterback, I believe. I could be wrong on that, don't quote me. I'm not sure where he got drafted, though. Second autograph, Antonio Brown. Blue, not numbered. CJ Spiller, there's a Tebow base card. Face to face, Tebow headlines. It's got everything Tebow except for his signature. It's like a Bradford too, you know, not picky. Tebow class of 2010. I thought that was going to be an auto. I really felt it there. Base. This is a jersey. Ooh, Sue's jersey. There you go. Number 2 overall picks. His jersey is not numbered. Decent player to have for his jersey card. The Bradford rookie. Base. Base. Ed Dixon, autograph. Base. Be an autograph here. It's red. Zach Robinson. This is 8 out of 150, so it's one of the short printed autographs. That's 2 autos here that have been short printed. Kind of cool. Class of 2010 Bradford. So that's 4 autos so far, so we're looking for 3 more. Maybe 2 more game used. Clausen's rookie. Javid Best, 82 out of 140. Another auto, another short printed auto. 5 autographs, 2 more. Jersey piece, kind of dirty. Denario Alexander, not numbered. Headlines is Clausen. Few more packs, I think 5 more packs. Couple more hits. Nope, I thought it was something. I'm sorry. Headlines, base. God, let's take them out here. Actually, got 5 more. Autograph, Sean Lee, Penn Stater. So looks like one more autograph. Ryan Matthews. Okay. 2 of these 3 last packs should have a hit in them. This is the jersey. No, it's an autograph. I'm sorry, Javon Sneed. Jevin. So that could be our last auto, I think. Unless they put in an extra one. Did not get a Tebow, I don't think. Nope. And this one should be a jersey then. Jersey. Joe McKnight. 114 out of 199. So there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. And these are up for sale or trade.